Nuer Shatin Nuer followers. Today we are going to learn these English to Nuer basic phrases. These are the things that you can use on your daily lesson when you want to chat in Nuer language. Okay, we can start it from number one. Number one, how are you? How are you? Male. You can say Male. How are you? Male. I am good. I am good. Thank. And wagwa. And wagwa. I am good. And wagwa. Chiloidatet. Thanks mean chiloidatet. And wagwa. I am good. Thank. And wa egwa. Number two, what is your name? What is your name? Shalshududi. Shalshududi. What is your name? Shalshududi. Shalshudanial. What is your name? Shalshududi. What's your name? Shalshududi. That's how you can ask that question. What's your name? Shalshudanial. My name is Nial. Okay, or you can say that my name is Nial. Number three, where are you from? Where are you from? Binika. Binika. Where are you from? Or where are you from? Binika. I am from Rolnath and Ba Rolnath. I am from Rolnath and Ba Rolnath. Number four, what do you do? What do you do? Angula ladimo. Angula ladimo or angula ladimo. Angula ladimo. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. And ngich. And ngich. Number five, do you speak English? La raji katok English. Do you speak English? La raji katok English. Yes, I do speak English. And la naraj katok English. Please practice this English to thok nath basic phrase. It can help you to learn both English and thok nath. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next lesson.